Hello! Today we'll introduce to you the surgical kit and drilling sequence of the Epikut line. Epikut's surgical kit presents a few differentials when it's compared to other surgical kits from S.I.N implant systems product lines, starting by the lens drill, which has an active lens tip with a diameter of 2 mm, emerging it to 2.5 mm. This optimizes the drilling sequence. The entire drilling sequence is linear and identified by letters. The sequence will be performed according to the implant diameter and the bone type where it is being installed. In the kit, there is an identification for different bone types and implant diameters to guide us through the drilling sequence. As general features of the Epikut kit, it is possible to see here a drilling sequence instruction description for all diameters versus the bone types that will be used. In addition to that, as for all other S.I.N implant system kits, it is possible to see in this bottom part a real scale with the millimeter markings of the drills and direction indicators. As additional parts, there are the drill extension, the transmucosal meter for more stable implants, which assists in the choice of the prosthetic component, the 1.2 hexagonal driver to install the cover screw, and the adapter for the manual torque wrench and handpiece driver. There are 4 extra spaces and drivers for the installation and capture of more stable implants, long and short handpiece drivers, and long and short torque wrench drivers, and also the drivers to capture and install external hexagonal implants, long and short handpiece drivers, and long and short torque wrench drivers. In addition, all the direction indicators at their end are compatible with the lens drill that emerges to 2.5 mm as well. Exemplifying with the drilling sequence of a 3.5 mm diameter implant, external hexagon connection, length of 11.5 mm in soft bone. Starting the drilling sequence of the Epikut implant, external hexagon, 3.5 mm by 11.5 mm. As an external hexagon implant, it has indication for bone level installation. It has a length of 11.5 mm. For this reason, we will choose the stopper with a length of 11.5 mm. The first drill has a diameter of 2 mm to 2.5 mm. So in this sequence, the drill stopper will be chosen. To remove the safe drill stopper, use the removal space on the kit. Now, moving on to the drill B. It has a diameter of 2.7 mm and cutting on the active tip and on its side. Bear in mind that it's an external hexagon implant with a length of 11.5 mm and it has an indication for installation at bone level. For this reason, we will choose again the 1.5 mm drill stopper. In the line below, there's direction indicators for each exact drill diameter. This way, we avoid any mismatch of that direction indicator. In case of doubts about the millimeter markings of the direction indicator, use the real scale that is marked on the kit. As it is a 3.5 mm implant in soft bone, we finish with the drill B. For this reason, we can now take the implant installation driver for handpiece. Press the handpiece driver against the implant blister and rotate it so that the driver captures the implant. In this exemplified case, the 3.5 mm diameter implant will have an under-drilling with a difference offset of 0.0 mm. This is possible because the implant has its characteristics inverted in sharp threads. If necessary, complete the implant installation with a surgical torque wrench. Remove the cover screw from the cap of the blister. With the 1.2 mm hexagonal driver, attach the cover screw and install it.